So today my video is going to be about the eyebrows. I already did a video like this, but I didn't like the outcome, so I will do it again. So I already cleaned my face and I sprayed my favorite spray, Mario Badescu, the rose water. So I will start with my eyebrows right away. So the first thing I will do is conceal my lovelies. I will go in with a Pro Conceal by LA Girl. I always put a bunch of concealer on this area of my eyes and I press it in. It's kind of like priming. So I'm blonde, as y'all can tell, and my eyebrows are very, very light, just like my eyelashes. So I like to go in with a LA Girl color soft brown. I have a bunch of those here, right here. This one. The brow pomade. I will take my favorite angle brush by Wet n Wild, if I find it. I don't seem to be able to find it, of course. Why would I? I'm prepared, just like always. Nothing new. Always unprepared. Best way to go. Right here. This is not the one I wanted, but this is also an angle brush, and it will do the work. What did I do with my angle brush anyways? However, I just found it. So I'm taking a lot of the product. I'll start in the big area. I'm creating a little V, as you can tell. Drag it in the front part. I am not picking up more product, or maybe a little bit, to fill in the back part. And then with the rest of the product on my brush, I will go in with small strokes. Like this, trying to create an ombre look. My eyebrows are very, very bushy. I'm taking a little brush like this, a spiral brush, and buff in any product to make it seem like it's a little ombre look. Other eyebrow. I will brush this one a little upwards. Alright. The left side is more difficult for me to do than the right side. the V shape. Pick up some more product. Line up to the front. I'm not satisfied with the outcome. Just take my spiral brush and brush it in. Just go one more time. Straighten up any crooked lines that I didn't like. So now I will go again with my concealer, which I pick up a little bit on my hand right here. Brush. And just clean up my eyebrows. I honestly believe that it doesn't matter in which order you do it. Like, if you want to do first one eye and then the other, or if you want to do like with a concealer cleaning both tops and then go bottoms, I honestly believe it doesn't matter. Lines that are unclear, like on the left eye, I'll just go again. I'm satisfied. I'll just take my sponge, it's a different one, with a little thin tip so I can like blend it out more precise. Last but not last, I'm brushing my eyebrows, and voila, this is the end result. If you enjoyed this video, just give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe.